It's your man Giush back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the VF31F Hayate Immelmann movie version. I just got this in the mail from AmiAmi earlier this week, and I just now got around to opening it up. So I know it's been a while since I've done a video, so here we go. So here's the box. Pull it out here. So you guys can go look on YouTube and look at the box design of the original VF31F. Excuse my finger. This has a little bit of a different design from what I recall. And I did bring my my original VF31F down here as a comparison, the model itself, but not the box. But anyway, like I said, this model has been reviewed by several people. Scorched Earth Toys has a really good review of it. So if you want to, take a look at the box, go look at their review. Anyway, let's check out what's inside. So we've got special cover, pretty standard for the Delta figures. That's a very nice illustration there. Here's the VF31F. And that's still taped together. I'm going to open that up in a second. Whoops, box closed in on me. And looks like we have the stand and then the special adapters that allow you to install the Drakens in fighter mode and Batroid mode. And then it looks like underneath this, we got the instructions. So I'm going to pause the video here and, open up the fighter, get it all situated, and I'll compare it to my original VF31F. I'm going to pause the video, be right back. Hey, okay everyone, we're back. Sorry about that little pause here. So as you can see, I got both of the messers here to compare. The one on the left is the original version, and the one on the right is the movie version. Now, as you can see with the movie version, I've got one of the pegs installed. Here it is, kind of up close, so that you can see it. But basically, like, it tabs in to the hard point on the outer edge of the wing, and you have to fold the wing over, and then this kind of goes in, and so it's basically like holding the wing in like a downward swept position, and is holding the vertical stabilizer in a kind of an angled position as well. So I'll hold the model up so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But you see that white piece that's tabbed in, and that's the tab for the Draken. I actually happen to have, I've got an SV262. And I've got the Draken pods, and I heard that those Draken pods, well, the super parts for the SV262, the two Draken pods that come with it are compatible with the movie version. So I'm going to go grab those real quick, and I'm going to have to pause the video again. I'm really sorry. But, as you can see, just before I do that, I mean, looking at the markings, they're both fairly similar. This guy, I've got sorry about that. I have the reaction missiles and some of the other missiles from my Nightmare Plus on here. And this guy doesn't have any armaments on, but, as you can see, I mean, there's other videos that go more in depth in this model in the original version. I haven't seen anybody review the movie version yet. This model doesn't seem to be too popular. I love the messer. So when the movie version came out, it was kind of a no-brainer. So my original version is I'm like 99% sure it's going to go on eBay or be up for sale in the Macross forums. But anyway, back to the review. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty close to the original version in terms of appearance. Let's check out the special accessories here. So we've got some fixed posed hands. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of fixed posed hands. And then we've got, let's open this up here. So we've got a replacement head antenna, a couple of replacement head lasers, 2 combat knives, and then one of these has to be Messer, and then I can't remember who the singer was that was his co-pilot. It's been so long since I watched Delta. Delta's, as an anime, is not very good. The toys are way better than the anime. Anyway, so enough of the side ranting. I'm running out of time here. So let me run upstairs, get the Draken pod, get everything situated on it in flight mode, and just kind of show it to you guys and give my closing thoughts. Be right back. Hey guys, sorry for the pause. So we're back. So here we go. So I have the Draken pods installed on the Valk in fighter mode with the reaction missiles, and I gotta say, the thing looks pretty awesome. Pretty awesome indeed. I'm really digging just this look here. It's just very, very unique. I kind of got the Draken pods kind of turned in. I can turn them more so that they're parallel to the direction of the craft rather than kind of angled up. Whoops. And yeah, that looks good, especially with the reaction missiles. Looks really, really good. I might post another video later showing it in Batroid mode. Like I said, there's a separate set of brackets that you attach to the wings that allow you to mount the Draken pods on it while it's in fighter mode. I'm probably going to do that. I'm trying to do that tonight. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this video up. You guys, drop a comment, down there, and let me know what you think. I got to be honest, I'm digging it. I just want to get a new version of the Messer anyway, since it was one of my first, I think it was actually the first Delta figure that I purchased, and my collecting has kind of snowballed from that point, but I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Bandai does it again. Anyway, let me know your thoughts, guys. This is GUSH002. Oh, yeah, finally, one final thing. I kind of thought this was a little messed up. They didn't include the reaction missiles. I guess, they're trying to kind of keep that as a Super Parts exclusive, but it would have been nice to have reaction missiles included with this figure, especially since they were doing another spin for the movie version. Anyway, that's all I got, guys. Drop a comment. Talk to you later. Peace.